Welcome to the Dating Life with Jay. Let's get it.
I know you did me wrong, that's why I ain't trusting ya. Don't care about them other ones. He's stacking his money, he's getting his bread. Loving you strong, but something ain't there. I know that you trying, but seeing you scared. Or maybe it's me, cause my past always here. Can we just...
kxng on the track.
I am. Are you excited?
I am.
What are you getting today?
The double kayak.
All right. You got a ticket?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Come on down. Yeah, the strap goes around your waist, flip it to the front.
Okay. This back strap goes in the front, you said, right?
Front, yes.
Okay, front.
Around your waist.
On my waist, okay. Oh, that's tight. Right. The vest, fucking my. All right, thank you. Any quick tips and tricks? Left, come on.
Okay, wait. Ready?
You got, yeah.
Okay.
Left, right, left, right. Yeah. Okay, let's get us up in the shade, please. Left. Yeah, we were doing it. Wait, hold on. Go, yeah, go straight, go straight. To go straight, just keep going right a little bit. Okay. This is fire. I know. I'm trying to stay here for a little bit. Kayaking right now. What?
We gotta turn this way. Yeah, because you're dark.
Dark?
Yeah.
Is that a black joke?
No.
Was that a black joke?
No.
Oh my.
Don't you dare play with me. Okay. Alrighty, how was it?
Kayak
Tell
is
us.
Cool. It's like a workout. In fact, you know, it is a workout. But nah, it was cool though. We went up and down the river. Tempe Beach, Tempe Boat Rental. Shout out to them for allowing us to record and stuff and just have some fun. So let's go ahead. time of the day and we don't have water. Bro, came up here last time. It was some people. Ain't nobody on this bitch. I'm gonna jump if you don't subscribe right now. You have to subscribe right now. I'm ending it off. Did you subscribe? For work. We're doing this for business. I'm tired of telling you I'm black. You know what I'm saying? We black. You know what I'm saying? We can't be out here doing shit like this in the hottest time of the day. I got my rag with me. No water. I repeat, no water. Just a rag and blackness. Let's go.
I know you did me wrong, that's why I ain't trusting ya. Don't care about them other ones. He's stacking his money, he's getting his bread. Loving you strong, but something ain't done. I know that you trying, but seeing you scared. Or maybe it's me, cause my past always here. Can we just slow down with I know it ain't easy, but trying to change. Smoking his eye, but still for the same. Don't play with no nigga and off with his brain. Checked all winning out, leave the chain. Not loving nobody. Misunderstood cause I ain't leech out. My papa nigga, if he posted for clout. I know I'ma make it, that's without a doubt. She fighting herself cause she know he not in.